car is one of 614 88 Fiero GTs with factory T-tops. Hey you guys, what is up? Welcome back to the channel. I am so excited for today's video. We are going to be showcasing probably one of the rarest Fieros you could possibly ever own. I'm so excited to walk you guys through it. Make sure, if you haven't already, like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and leave any commentary down below. Spoiler alert, this car is actually going to be going up for sale, so that means somebody out there has the opportunity to be the owner of one of the rarest Fieros you could possibly ever own. What makes this car so special is that there were 1,251 CJBs that came out of the factory, right? And out of those 1,200, there were 614 GT CJB options, making this one of 614 88 Fiero GTs with factory T-tops. This car has won several awards at the Northwest Fiero Fest for Best of Show several times over, and winning Best of Show at the Northwest Fiero Fest is never an easy feat. Most years, 40 cars would attend the event, and this car would walk away with Best in its class and Best of Show. And the competition was extremely stiff. You couldn't just walk away with this trophy in your hand. You had to actually have one of the cleanest cars on the lot. And I totally see why this guy won several years, over and over again. I totally get what all the hype was about with this car. There's not going to be too many Fieros out there with all of the attention to details this car has. Let me break it down for you guys. You guys are more likely to catch the coronavirus than you are to ever see an 88 Fiero GT with the CJB option in this great of condition. Do the math. This car has 187,000 miles on it, and it still runs like the day it came out of the factory. With the condition that this car is in, you would think it only had 10,000 miles on it and that it was still 1989. I mean, if you take a look under the front, this spare tire has never touched the ground. It just doesn't get any better than that. This car runs and drives extremely well. So reliable, it drove just north of Seattle, all the way down to us here in Vancouver, and it killed me bucks along the way. This car's immaculate condition can be contributed to Boyd and Jackie Lyle, who in the 20 years of owning this Fiero gave it everything and anything it ever could possibly need while still driving it around. When you come to the interior of this car, it's like hopping back to 1988. Everything in here smells like it just rolled off the lot. It all looks brand new. This car was garaged its whole life, and that's most evident by the fact that these T-top seals are perfect. The car even comes with both factory T-top bags that in most cases are lost or damaged. Back in the 1980s, the T-top option was a hot commodity. Everybody wanted them on their cars. And it wasn't until the end of the Fiero production that Fiero owners finally got everything they were asking for. This T-top experience is almost like a convertible. There's just so much airflow in the car, honestly. I see what this was all about. I would take you guys for a ride in this beautiful car, but for the safety of the car and myself, I'm just gonna stay right where it's parked and enjoy it in all of its glory. I will thank you guys for coming on this virtual ride with me through the car. If you guys are interested in purchasing this car, make sure you leave a comment down below. We will make sure to keep you guys updated when we have a verified link so that you guys can go ahead and purchase the car from the owner itself. This car is beautiful, guys. I'm really hoping it stays somewhere in our community, and if it doesn't, I hope that the next owner loves it just as much as I have learned to appreciate the car itself. So, I want to thank you guys for tuning in, joining me on this virtual ride one more time. If you guys haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please like this video. Any commentary, leave it down below. And we'll see you guys for the next one.
Do you like owner's manuals and a fat stack of paperwork, including all the service history? Well, this is the car for you. Look at that.